Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to Max lecture series. In our today's session, we will be learning how to solve this given function under triple integration. If you observe the function with the limits, there is three limits has been given. One is traveling from 0 to pi, and the second one is traveling from 0 to pi by 3, and the third limit is traveling from 0 to 1, and its correspondent given function r square into sine pi. We are going to integrate this function with respect to r, with respect to phi, with respect to theta. Let's start integration. So before directly entering into the solution for this function, it is very important to know the range of these three limits, general range. If you observe, they have given three persons here. Let me take them out. One is called r, another one is pi, and another one is theta. Sir, what is the actual range? If you observe, the actual range of r is, it will be traveling from 0 to infinity. And if you observe the actual range of pi, it will be traveling from 0 to pi. And if you observe the actual range of theta, it will be traveling from 0 to 2 pi. It is fixed. Now, I told that the range of value can be anything between 0 to infinity for r, and the range of value anything between 0 to pi for phi, and the range of theta anything between 0 to 2 pi. But the maximum limit is 0 to 2 pi for theta. From this, if you observe the integration limits, we can easily identify that. See there, if you find the values, r indicated, see 0 to infinity means it is values, it is not in degree. So if you find any values like 0 to 1, 0 to 10, 0 to 5, that indicates the limit is given for r. And second, if you observe any value between 0 to pi, see there, instead of focusing on the second limit, let me focus on third limit in order to get the clarity. If you observe the third limit, it is clearly given that the limit is traveling from 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi in the sense, it is only for theta. So third limit is automatically going for theta. First limit is already went for r, third limit is going for theta, then second limit obviously it is targeting pi only. Yes, after understanding this one, now it is very easy to integrate this function. Let us start the solution, that is let us start solving the question. Take the integration out. Of course, we are doing volume integration, that is triple integration. Let me keep 0 to 2 pi as it is. Let me keep 0 to pi by 3, yes, pi by 3 as it is. I am going to integrate the function with respect to r first. If you observe, when we are integrating this function with respect to r, sin pi will be acting as a constant. If you integrate r square, it will become r power 3 by 2. So, sorry, r power 3 by 3, r cube by 3. And the corresponding limits already has been specified, that is 0 to 1. That is the limit has been given. Now, still two more integrations are pending, d phi d theta. So, d phi d theta. Okay, let us substitute the upper and the lower limit. I left one more function here, that is sin phi. I hope that is sin pi only, right? Yes, that is sin phi. Now let's continue from here. If we substitute upper limit for r, it will become 1 cube by 3. Of course, that is constant. 1 cube by 3 is 1 by 3 only. Lower limit will be giving 0. 0 by 3 will become 0. So that is useless. So let us continue the integration with that. 0 to 2 pi. And second one is going to be 0 to pi by 3. Now tell me, if we integrate sin pi with respect to d pi, what will be getting? So second limit. So let me write the function first for your understanding. Sin pi d phi d theta. So in the next step, let me keep 1 by 3 as it is. Let us go ahead, 0 to 2 pi. If we integrate sin pi with respect to d pi, this will give you minus cos pi. And we have upper and lower limits 0 to pi by 3. It's time to substitute the limits. So if we substitute the limits, what will be getting? It will become 1 by 3. So here upper limit will give you minus cos pi by 3. You all know, while going along with the lower limit, we will be going up with the one more minus. So minus into minus will become plus. Cos 0 will be giving us 1. So, okay sir. Next, what is the next expected answer? From here, we know what is the value of cos pi by 3. I just wanted to know the value of cos pi by 3. Pi means its equivalent value is 180. 180 by 3, this will be equal to 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60? So, this will be equal to 1 minute. Let me write 1 by 3. Here the limits are going to be 0 to 2 pi. Still one more limit is bending, that is theta. Yes. Now let us substitute the value of cos pi by 3. We know pi by 3, cos of pi by 3 means cos 60. Cos 60 will be equal to 1 by 2. So we can replace this whole value by 1 by 2. So already one more minus is there. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will give us one more plus 1 by 2. Let me take that plus 1 by 2 outside. After that we have only one limit, that is 0 to 2 pi with respect to d theta. See there, no more functions are there. If there will be no function under the integration, then you can treat that value as 1. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 will be giving us 1 by 6. Integration of 1 with respect to d theta will give you theta. Limits are traveling from 0 to 2 pi. From this, upper limit will be 2 pi, lower limit will be 0. So final answer will be 2 pi by 6, or we can say it will be equal to pi by 3. See, now go back to the options. Options were given. So the correct answer for this question is option A, because we got pi by 3. This is how we are integrating triple integration function in spherical coordinate. Basically this coordinate is simply mean spherical coordinate. This is all for this lecture. In the next lecture we will be coming up with a new question. Thank you all.